alaikum, my dear sisters and brothers in Islam. I will try to make you understand the second page of Quran, which is very important for practical life in Islam. So practice Islam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said about the muttaqi. So we will understand who is muttaqi. In this surah, beginning of Surah Al-Baqarah, it is explained. So Alif Lam Mim. Zalikal Kitabul la rayba fi. This is the book, there is no doubt about it. This means no doubt in Quran. A guide for those mindful of Allah. It is guide for those who are muttaqi. Who are muttaqi? In the last Hajj, Hajjatul Wida, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in his sermon said that neither the white has supremacy on black, neither the black has supremacy on white. The supremacy is because of taqwa. Taqwa is the character according to the orders of Allah. A muttaqi is a person who is mindful of Allah. He understands this, that Allah is watching all the time, Allah is listening all the time. So he tries to remain in touch with Allah, with the zikr, and always ambitious to follow the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which are explained in brief on the second page of Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah. This is the beginning. So Alif Lam Mim Zalikal Kitabu la rayba fi. In this muttaqi, muttaqin means those who have fear of Allah and love of Allah, and they are mindful of Allah in their life, in 24/7 of life. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala explained it further. Allazina yuminuna bil ghaib. Muttaqi are those who believe in ghaib. Now we'll try to understand what is ghaib. To understand ghaib, we will understand Iman in Mufassil, Iman in detail. This is called Iman in Mufassil. Amantu billahi, I believe in Allah, wa malaikatihi, wa angels, wa kutubihi, and the holy books, wa rusulihi, and the prophets, wal qadra khairihi wa sharrihi, and good or bad luck, what's written by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the life after death. These all things are in ghaib. So a muttaqi believes in these. All these means a muttaqi believes in Allah, muttaqi believes in the holy books and the prophets and the angels, and good or bad luck is from Allah, and one day after the death all the human beings will rise from their graves. So this is the belief of a muttaqi. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, وَمِمَّا رَزْقْنَاهُمْ يُنْفِقُونَ, that a muttaqi spends from whatever we have given him. A muttaqi spends from whatever we have given him. So this is the explanation.